Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some old favourites, almost an old favourite from Germania.
Yeah, we've had both of these through before, and both of them have been resounding successes.
Yes.
So keen to have these, although these ones that you're cutting into now are a new year, so but same design. So
A beautiful coin.
here we are, of course, talking about the Golden Eagle. The
In
Maltese
silver.
Eagle in silver. Yes, the gold eagle in silver. That has caused me problems before looking through at the SKUs and things like that.
That was Perth Mid pulled that stunt with the golden nugget as well in silver.
Yeah.
That was fun and games too.
All right, I think you've got it upside down there.
I have too.
There we go.
Down Miss Jane. Alrighty, so I'm still upside down a little bit, aren't I?
Yeah, so we've got the eagle there, kind of doing aerobatic battle with a snake, and some super cool patternings behind. I've always loved the detail on this coin.
Tell me, how do you do aerobatic battle with a snake?
That's what it looks like's happening. I mean, it's picking it up, but it's kind of fighting back a little bit.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
All right. So look, a fantastic coin. We should probably pull one out of the wrap.
Yep. You can see the other side there.
So that's the side we were looking at over the page. Got the Maltese cross and everything associated on the back end. Beautiful frosted finish on these.
Again, insane level of detail there. That is just one of the super cool things about these coins.
It's just what we expect from Germania these days.
It really is.
Produce incredible products. So again, they haven't missed with that one. So they are readily available now. For how long is anyone's guess, but they're certainly in stock right now.
I'm going to say, I think they went fairly quick last time from memory. So
They did. I think we brought in a few more this time round, so hopefully they'll last a little while.
that's good.
And then on to the other Germania one, and this one always fascinates me.
The hybrid product. Is it a cast bar? Is it a minted bar? It kind of gives you the best of both worlds, I think. Or potentially not. I know one of the things you like about cast bars normally is their ability to kind of be a little bit more tactile with it and hold it in your hand.
Whereas these ones, as you'll see, they're a cast bar in a minted package. Look, you can't fault Germania. I mean, it's a beautiful product. Serialised. There's very few cast serialised bars out there.
On the bar itself, like Perth Mint, for example, have their minted bars that, but even they don't have it on the bar itself.
Yeah, so this is stamped onto the bar itself and then packaged up in minted packaging. On the reverse, on the other side, I'm trying to read upside down here in glasses, and it's just not working.
Certificate number, metal fineness, and then the metal weight.
And
who it's certified
down there.
As well as the little holographic sticker
on the back. So another great product from Germania in the 1 ounce cast minted cast.
I think they just call them cast bars, but it's just anything in a packaging like that. My brain automatically goes, it's a minted bar, right?
Yeah, that's right. Confuses everyone, but it's a beautiful product, and again produced by Germania. So big hits on this one. So the Golden Eagle and the gold bar.
That's
Grab them while they're in stock.
Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.